Is your Spectrum cable box constantly turning off and on? You're likely experiencing a boot loop or overheating issue. This video explains why this happens and what you can do about it. As of September 2025, these problems are often caused by a mix of outdated firmware, software bugs, and poor ventilation. Older Spectrum boxes, pre-2022, are particularly vulnerable. The boot loop occurs when the box fails to fully load its operating system, causing a repetitive restart. Overheating, often due to inadequate airflow around the box, exacerbates this by triggering thermal shutdowns to prevent damage. To illustrate, here's a simplified view of a cable box's internal components overheating and restarting in a boot loop. You can check your Spectrum box's firmware through the Spectrum app or by accessing the diagnostic menu. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Let's troubleshoot your Spectrum cable box issues. First, try a simple soft reset by unplugging the cable box for 60 seconds and plugging it back in. Next, ensure proper ventilation by providing at least 6 inches of space around the cable box for air circulation. Use a surge protector to stabilize the power supply, as voltage fluctuations can trigger reboots. Check for firmware updates through the Spectrum app to address software bugs that cause boot loops. For overheating concerns, consider adding a USB-powered fan or elevating the box on a stand, as recommended by Community Solutions. If issues persist, contact Spectrum for a free replacement, especially if the box is under warranty, though backlogs may occur. For severe cases, seek professional help and avoid DIY repairs that could void your warranty. Note that Spectrum is phasing out older boxes in favor of cloud-based streaming devices to mitigate these hardware risks.